Come test drive this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include heated front seats, front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.